In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove stats from Brave browser. If you like a clean new tab page and don't need the running counter that shows how many trackers were blocked, how much bandwidth you saved, and the time Brave estimates you've gained, you can hide that panel in just a few clicks. Turning it off only removes the visual card from your start page. It does not disable Brave's privacy protections or ad and tracker blocking, so your browsing remains just as secure. Start by opening your Brave browser. When Brave launches, you'll typically land on a new tab page. That's the page where the background image, search bar, and optional cards appear. If you're already browsing a site, you can open a fresh new tab to follow along more easily, since the setting we're changing lives there. Now, look to the top right corner of the new tab page for the small gear icon. This is the Customize button for the new tab layout. Click it to open the customization panel. If your browser window is narrow, the panel may slide in from the side. If it's wider, it may appear as a centered settings window. Either way, you're in the right place. Inside this customization area, find the section labeled Cards. Cards control which information blocks show up on your new tab page, things like top sites, Brave News, a clock, and the Brave Stats panel. Click Cards to see the list of available switches. Locate the Brave Stats option and toggle it off. The switch should move to the off position, and the indicator will show that the card is disabled. As soon as you do this, the stats panel disappears from your new tab page. If you still see it on an existing tab, open a new one, or refresh to confirm it's gone. Again, this change is purely cosmetic. Brave will continue blocking ads and trackers in the background. You're simply hiding the on-screen counter. If you prefer a minimalist look, you can leave other cards off as well, or mix and match to keep just the ones you use. And if you ever change your mind, return to the same cards section and flip Brave Stats back on. It will reappear instantly. That's all you need to remove the stats from Brave. Open Brave, click the gear in the top right of the new tab page, go to Cards, and switch off Brave Stats. Enjoy a cleaner start page without sacrificing privacy or performance.